Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your THERMATIC automatic climatic control system at your Mercedes-Benz C180 Coupe. Okay, let's start. Inside your car, the control panel for the THERMATIC automatic climatic control is in the middle side. And to use this Arctic control system, you have to switch on the ignition. So, let's start. In the front panel, there it is, and you are able to see it on the flat screen too. What kind of options we are going to make. Let's switch to the menu button in the center, and as you can see, there are two climatic control areas, one on the right side, one on the left side. And now you are able to use the right and the left button to control the temperature. If you're switching the lever up, you make it hotter, and if you're going down with the lever, you go down with the temperature, but for each control area itself. The next button is for the vents. You can go and switch by pressing this lever to switch the areas of different areas of the vents. So there you're able to switch the air distributions. The air flows out of the downside, outside, windows side, right and left, as you like. Switch it until you like it. Next step is the button for to increase the airflow and to reduce the airflow by pushing it up or down. The next button is to switch to the automatic way. This means the automatic way is your car electronic have a look of the temperature, have a look of the airflow and anything other options, and it is an automatic way to reduce some fog and other things. At the time, if the automatic button is on, if you push another button, the automatic way is off. The next button is to damage the windscreen. If your windscreen in the front side and the right and left side, then push this button to diminish the windscreens. Yeah, this is a good function in the winter time. Let's set up to the next button. The next button is to switch the rear window heating on or off. If you switched the button on, the rear window will be dimmed and fog-free. As you can see, now it's working. There are little lines which will be heated up, and because of this hot area, the dust will go away and you have good vision out of the rear window. This function will stop automatically after 10 minutes. If you dislike two heating areas, you will use the think button. As you can see, I push the think button and all areas will be one area. If you push the think button again, you are able to switch to different areas like left and right. And if you push think again, now it's all one area. This is the synchronization button. So let's go to the next button. This button is to activate or deactivate air recirculation mode. That means if you're going at the street and in front of you there is a not so good smelling car, for example, you go to the air recirculation mode and the air will recycle inside the car itself. Good. What is next? To activate or deactivate cooling with the air dehumidification. Yeah, nice word. This mode is, like in the summer, a good mode. If it's hot outside and maybe hot inside your machine, use this button to make a high quality, low temperature area inside your Mercedes. That's nice function, as you can see, but it needs a lot of energy. Think about this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm saying to you, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon. Good job. Yeah, soon.